Abusua enra BBC e wo Ghana ha no mo. Kwame Bafo Abronye e bunu we BP chairman lawyer Bafo Abronye. In fact we lawyer. That's it. Lawyer Kwame Bafo Abronye enra Ghana police for SRC Libya. He was arrested yesterday and granted a bail of 1 million Ghana cedis, 10 billion. Abronye abekasa afa. Una face no. Chama Wontumi lawyer abedin komo efa kwan ase de ne client Chama Wontumi enamo so ase pe kwan bia so da fa so amia na twenimu ni ade bi no. Wo se da bi de cost de enya nice enya fe. Eti Abronye eti Wontumi lawyer abekasa. Be ma won so ntimi no akere wadwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Brock Media. Me so say need mu. Obe like video no da about subscribe button so na be click the notification icon of latest update. Na be tell wadwen de ama me e wo comment section. Best also password no one shave don for so enya bi ahwe. Enteye 8 September mu enya be che kwa Bafo Abronye. After say eba say wadi IGP atem IGP tete yo no wadi na tem any ade ye be che no ekọ e ma ye nyine hu awa the proceedings no ese call ye remanded no 2 times any ade man be condition say o meet e ma later no o tu emiti ye ma ye jan e ma ne be fi oba fi kra no na company say oh when ye wo be jai but o say be ready another attack as a hokobeka as IGP in power was tunkusa just say Abronye into the full stubborn academy red definition of stubborn academy. Now Abronye Dc am no can say me no about 3 days ago me meeting in framamu eye Monday no as Abronye one way ye be search no because as the case the shedengu papa and shedengu ye e Abronye way ye be search no ebusen ka bi shemu enra Wednesday na no pa no and about say Abronye please for here and say omro office and because the case now you didn't come back no case na head egu papa it omra but unfortunately for him okoye no Abronye was arrested once again omuche no hwete sam and ye be jaw ye nya be nya na je so betua 1 million Ghana cedis tetisika no 10 billion to Abronye 8 so enra no pana police go invite you no je omuche no etwa 1 million Ghana cedis at so otua as the bail condition. Hey, Ghana, they say don't wow. Hey, who can please? Hey, so who can please say she call them? I say wait much. Only a trouble to it is betrayal. Who could what they say? Any trouble, masa. And one and you man, Abronye ebe no, obey your life. And what chilemu. Ade kudie ntikra na ombaite no no omusi achi no Abronye ebechirem na we ni semo a okaye.
Nti na Wednesday said the court to kaye no, ese me comply with the court orders no. Enti nei anopa ebo no nkono na me lawyer akwa kopie mu wo police asoye me duriye no case ba akona ye de bo me no ai no ntiema me ko ho remand amprenu no afi na police force say omo ba beje charge sheet charge statement ya free me honam so mate ntimbisa omo say nti ke kwa me ko ho remand nyina mo de me ko court nyina no judge ne docket ne so na charge sheet nka ho ana charge statement nyeden enka ho omo say omo do omo gusu ye omo investigation ti no mentwere charge statement nti omo ma me paper na me twere me charge statement ne yetse me twere me de ne nyina ma omo me wie ye no less than 20 minutes na ma twere me statement ya wie ye hwe animu so ombe kona another team of policemen who CID who I say you under arrest ya two biem the same offense na omo de me call ya me call ho remand no police fu adana ani asana chimbiem this time no with sense no first na IGP and Ghana police and ye complainant this time no sense no onu nanim said de me kan wa me nwanem free ho ada me call police me call police aswaya ye remand me the next day yes an call ho no me wo ho e na honorable Kennedy Japan ni bodyguard petition den ebreset se ho no asese ho no na anaje ye bodyguard no so hu me ye den e ba ba chia me because onim me enti na ma wi a me ko no o matena siase na fremu ene dadua yi mene me lawyer kokoduru ye no sa bodyguard na or the petition ne bre honorable Kennedy Japan the other time no catch on say me use the platform no edidi ono Kennedy attempt ne said say wono ni IGP attempt no the same bodyguard another day no wo CID asue honom nti nayi complain yi eye honorable Kennedy Japan camp na siase ana omo say mema kasatia se wono na oye police officer no nti kwadu no nsesan this are normal building another docket with the same charges na me call home remand no with a different police officer. More backing no backing no. Internal saboteurs if we are mabo mudini e can be and on my say such charges no I the same back on the McCoy no and also ye no less than 15 minutes. Nanyo been about to me bro for mammy. Less than 15 minutes na brofo asu paper na so fine. Me di amomo say ya ma unko. Obi ane ase me call hospital 12 noon. Na se maduru hospital ho because complications ya me nya ye bra me free remand ba ko ba ye na me guso ye den. I say ye be free me say ye ma o call hospital obewu ha wu. Nti omu detain me. Anopana 9 ebesi anyumre 5:30 p.m. and sana ye ma me bail of 1 million Ghana cedis. Enti atiefo mo amote ye say ya tsena ti abronye ya tsena ti enokora ya teme ba kwaduro mo de bo me ni nyina no ene ba ko no nyina difference bi anim. Enti muhu counter propaganda bia a free social media from Canada Japan camp ne nkrofo ewo WhatsApp platform so ka se nye nokore da say o mati abronye omunim ni o maye enti omu di kanaba be ka so ni amuhu ni social media na ye live phone ye nti abronye bia no omunim ni o maye enne ne nkrofo no mo osi adi ho but omu di kane aba be ka se nye nokore da nyame ncha de ya mami bail obi a yanchi ne said the Canada Japan crofo pese MPP fo hu no ya mami bail omo ombe sign bail no ana me bo mudin ba ko de ya agesa akode ana Moses Aboya MPP former regional youth organizer Greater Accra omu nyina ba ana former security operations o Jubilee House boyo womu nyina ba enti no mo pese mo hu nokore na ne apiem say yes and police sanche me as say no bail condition na o police fo no and na machinations ya ekoso enti no enti me bisa omo say court kora ma bail no ma sen but police fo ma be omo say 1 million Ghana cedis bail enti yenya surety fo a wo mayere Since I will take it from there, but yeah, man, so one obia so ntimi nyere. Enka obia num tun wo kroma se mo obia nka na adwene ye bekan ya adwene ne ye kɔ. Da bia so ye beba ho. Me mamwate ase se se mo de chie ene bedum ye mu binum ja. Ane amomom forget it. Enu nti na ne me duru police station no. CID investigator ne ba be bisa me say unum dotwa na wo shiwi na me se me shi bonto na me shi emumu bia no ohwehwe me mogya mu a wonya bara sam ka chen se me shi bonto nti ono apa ne opa bia no ontwere nhye ho bara odi me gina na ye hwehwe me mogya mu a sa nsam na no bisa bia ehu hia all because mo pe bibibi at the stop program no se program ni kotia ban se ekotia encrophobia almost wo within the party omo president adi by force etino sa Abronye ko shem na so ntimi ma mekan asem then they are grown na mudi no kra pa ni se onu na on inspector general aye one with the support of Honorable Canada Japan, any abandoned crofobino, I will make sure said the conduct of said Sewonu or Tiemia. Momanity, wow, him be among country and say, akyere kra no by Monday na se wonu ni petition aduru UN and all the appropriate quarters bia to say me dey call as a police officer within Ghana and outside Ghana. Babi a me dey conduct be ko petition bia to say me dey call babia etia se wonu within Ghana and outside Ghana. International communities in Babia ni Africa, Babia is so fun and when me report on the piano. So your unprofessional police officer, no, I will do it. Etima obintina babi, nyana green say, me membre, monso antena sabotiers no, e someone say akwana amona na ekono, akwano pani enko body ni mu. E samuti asiye sa say me you can't push me. You can't push me. And so one said, me and Kasa, you can't push me. And this said, me and Kasa, me Kase. My guy. Until you can't push me. Some per se, ye jai more some candia. Stop the propaganda, number one. Because the one yai propaganda, now maybe I set a record straight. And no better me you. And then I have a Kasa, I can't say me campaign, the best. So kwatena si na se obia studio ne wo TV station na aguo no so wo de be damage one ayi sorry presidential aspirant because we feel say ono na be the eventual winner entinu mo be damage adi na tem dia and dem kan hu say ne be ba da bia no eso because e ha bullet kakra bi no etimu ntino I don't know when you propaganda intro because I need here from now to 31st in the Obian to mean stop. The party leadership to mean stop. Court to mean stop. Police to mean stop. Abine to mean stop. Abine better stop Abronye. Abine to me. Until more bomb power within the government in the use police, ye intimidate Abronye, na Abronye sebeya obe krosu o hiati Wontumi krosu no da. Opia ni ho. Esa mu jitum sa de na mo if you can beat them, you join them. If you can beat them, you join them. Intimidate some who say, me the intimidation there. Me fan say me huratra ayo nti mamon fama but ye be facing no ye pa mo hu say me nso me fully prepared say me dey me to say justice toko no what the unya pick fight with me dia me no be ko awie because any kwansa o man kwasa na o man da ho wo mreko a wo man nokora nyeren enadi internal sabotage amoti arrest na amoti social media from honorable Kennedy Japan campua mo se enye nokore no ne amo ye ya enam so amokọ kan ban mu nkrofo because ye nim say in this contest ope candidate ya NDC party no ne NDC aban e support na e honorable Kennedy Japan in this contest in the MPP presidential primaries meetings NDC aye eba ne say na ne Kevin Taylor na ye campaign ma Kennedy Japan eba ne na appear stadium num nyina atena radio so a Kennedy Japan no mo ye campaign ema no eye meeting o makọ say 2028 no ba omia ye de na kọ abato da eba as a candidate a emwa NDC party no because NDC poll womo the new presidential candidate na baba and the NDC yeah everything possible say MPP subenya a new presidential candidate near you ba omia ye den asinchen and now all the social media ne Facebook ne WhatsApp so yento aba fo ne nyina no eye NDC followers ya wo ma heda to o magum na nyame ya adoma next month no ye be hu communication e be koso in favor of the NDC from in favor of NDC from the NDC side in favor of honorable Kennedy Japan Monfanchem Sante the whole of the day You deny me so you deny me say I can't even move. Until since morning be seen na me mote ye kase no me no munsuo me nidi ye. Ne nyina ye atete omode me ye dey efam. But ye momati ase say alliance sia me no me mo kase no MPP presidential aspirant no open ye oni NDC akọ alliance a honorable Kennedy Japan. A ban say na honorable Kennedy Japan UN General Assembly Otimi to free Ghana fa echo US echo shia echo ye meeting with some government officials. Momisano sa oko US no empayinfo ban na wa ban mu a one no omokọ ye meeting e fa ne presidential ambition no na sembe no omoka kire no.
Now on that issue no onum say Chema Wontumi so no you know High Court in back and forth any other community can invite on Monday or coin or much no for mining and same year na conta mining and same year na to some people which say they Chema Wontumi jai mining crowd ache ojagalem say ache ama ne mining concession crowd no what do ya what cover pit no am no mutu no wanya butra kata am na nyina so e dey asase no crowd e dua kube and say because of that be mutu say Chema Wontumi dey galam say wa free mu and go free galam say mu da. But I say crime has no expiry. Gram say that no. And no ho kwadu and now omode airborne e dey twini mu e wo court. E say Chema Wontumi no. You know case good to the three so are all fighting. Any case ketua. And we say the big conditions no sky is won't tua no. Che this kind of cost. After say we tell no say 10 million Ghana cedis. This kind of 300 billion. Any sika kuma. Na say any sika kuma say the Ghana ye kan. Masa eni ba kura wo ka kire Wontumi say on fa the sika dem the big conditions. Sika no be the account. I say, hey, send if I grow now, but I say, who do you have 30 million Ghana cedis? That's the guy, the boy who's going to be good at pay. Who be that? What I say? Now, I know. I'm not Chema Wontumi lawyer. I be doing what's it, Debbie. So, the client announced in the party, and you're nice. Now you know politics. I be with them.
And then obi di kan what sesa in simbi what onimu Chema Wontumi yenje akonta mind e Chema Wontumi dia
Akonta Mines a company owned by Chema Wontumi and one other no Koko.
Okay.
And PB they are the directors, they are the shareholders. And a company registered under the laws of Ghana with promoters as Chema Wontumi.
Okay. Na Koko ne den.
Akoko no as I know it. Indeed, whatever I tell you here no based on instructions I have received.
Okay.
Say bibi wo ho client no and disclosing chire me I cannot speak to it.
Okay.
And based on my instructions Akoko no PRO for the company.
Oh, okay.
That is what I know.
Okay.
And in all cases, me I no be some question. We say, na you are against illegal mining, and I will now defend it.
And let me bring it
here.
Me answer question. But me say, akonta eye mining. I wouldn't say you register your company any pa ba kon bi kan ho ne Chema Wontumi na omo directors enye sa. Akonta mine engage in galamsey would numeric forest na.
Based on my instructions, the answer is no.
Okay.
And I make catch you say.
Intina dia hands, we bet me atwend me bisa wo no.
We catch them say me client no ba me ho no catch them say I am engaged in illegal mining. And into me engage you say defend me, my approach will be different.
Anka wonya na say what approach will be different.
Well, it depends. Metimi akase meye, but the approach will be different.
But you are against illegal mining.
Look, the work of a lawyer is like the work of a pastor. When you are ordained in your elements, it is what the Spirit tells you that you do.
So even if you're against God, you have to fight for find justice for the person.
Sorry, you will give your services to all manner of persons. But media, sometimes, So Obana catch them and me feel say in my conviction, no, I will not be able to mobilize the necessary energy to support your case. I will tell you, say, I'm sure you are in the wrong place, normally. But Obana will catch them and say, no, I dear we are ekosuno, and yes, I had it to me. So sometimes I feel the sympathy for you. In the case of Wontumi and Akunta mining, instructions are received when they say, Akunta mining, and yeah, Bibiao numeric forest. That is what he tells me. And I operate
only concession biao.
Listen, numeric forest, Wontumi, only concession biao. Numeric forest. Tio, and I mentioned numeric forest. Only concession war. Summer boy, and now concession about I think it shares boundary with numeric forest. But in numeric forest, there was an application for it, but that application was declined. So he has no concession in numeric forest. But let me tell you, even where he has concession, the instruction I have is that encrophobi mum and illegal my to me company I could tell my instruction is that large scale mining company and yet small scale, let alone galamsey.
But binu so eshimo illegal mining.
There are people who, according to my instructions, who are illegally mining the concession or idea manu. And inti Wontumi akoye complaint or police station or Krumo akoye complaint or Western Regional Security Council.
Emma who said
Emma there is evidence Western Regional Security Council SND security personnel I'm informed also that some of them were even arrested. Yes, the report is there. Says an assembly by assembly court. I don't want to discuss my strategy.
But say and
but evidence be in our defense. No, I'm mobilizing all of that. It may call witnesses if it becomes necessary, because in a criminal trial, other court now order disclosures for the Attorney General to bring me all the evidence they will rely on for me to prepare my defense. And Ebia, when we go through, Attorney General witnesses, we go through cross-examination. Now, case. There are two options that I may pick one.
Okay.
To file a submission of no case or to apply to defend my case.
Okay. So which one I'll go for?
Say Yendruho. Yendruho is based on the evidence that they will prefer. And how those evidence of the Babano betimia standing in their support.
Okay. Now, I could know you also your clients are
also your client.
Oh.
Now me when your information say cross examination yeah in that form. Now particularly me start in cross examination in criminal matter no. Totally different. Now
drill
in criminal trial cross examination. The credibility of the witness is equally as important as the evidence of that witness. It is a witness and by force.
So
by witness.
And only a violation.
It will be there. Would that chini will titi honey they are all in issue because your credibility lends the weight to the evidence you give.
But said you sound so confident.
Oh, say maybe I know. So the I want to give credit to me and the boss, lawyer Heward Mills.
Oh,
okay. Training me. Now he was always insistent to say, "Nipa one more some abekano." A chile will soon buy.
Oh, buy.
And you do soon buy because they work out. And who
said it was here.
So, why do you, mammy, comment section? How you Penyah block video?